Ever wondered how to make sending money with Revolut even smoother? First, let's dive into adding a new beneficiary. Open your Revolut app. Down at the bottom, tap on the Payments icon. On the Payments screen, you'll see a clear option to add recipient. Tap that to get started. Now, you'll need to enter the details of the person or business you want to send money to. You can usually add them by their mobile number if they're also on Revolut, or by their bank account details like sort code and account number for traditional bank transfers. Fill in the required fields accurately. It's a good idea to add a nickname for easy identification later. Perhaps mom or rent payment. Once all information is entered correctly, tap on the Add Beneficiary or Continue button. And just like that, your new beneficiary is added and ready for your next transfer. Now, what if you need to remove someone, maybe a past payment, and you no longer need them listed? Head back to your Payments section. You'll see a list of your existing beneficiaries. Find the one you wish to remove and tap on it. On the Beneficiaries Details screen, you should see an option to delete or remove beneficiary. Tap this. Revolut will ask you to confirm you want to remove them. This is to prevent accidental deletions. Confirm your choice. The beneficiary is now removed. It's that simple to keep your payment contacts organized. Managing your beneficiaries ensures your financial transactions are always secure and efficient. Happy banking with Revolut.